Hi, my name is Calvin Johnson. In this video, I'll be showing you how to register a Windows 10 device with Microsoft Azure Active Directory or the Microsoft 365 device management. So here I'm in my Microsoft 365 device management. As you can see, I've created I've created some policies. Let me just go here. So I've created some policies. And here I created a policy called compliance policy for Windows 10. I've also created some configuration, some profiles, and here I've created profiles like that to configure BitLocker on the Windows 10 device if the device is registered to Microsoft Intune Azure. I've also created some Windows 10 device restriction, and here if I click on this device configuration I created, so I assigned it to a group called Configure BitLocker, and this group, which let me just go to groups and show you the group. Okay, and let me just click configure. Okay, here I have a group called Configure BitLocker. So if I click on properties, you can see right now it's a kind of I'm using a dynamic device. So I've configured this to be for a device to dynamically join this group if the device meets some criteria. So now let's go to my Windows 10 device and let me show you how to join this device to Microsoft Intune Azure. So I have a Windows 10 physical computer which I'm connected via Team Viewer. I'm just going to connect to that device. So here I have a device, it's Windows 10 Professional. Let me just tap here and show you that which computer I'm using for right now. So I'm using it's a Windows 10 Professional. So you can see it's version 1803. So to register this device to Microsoft into Azure, go to Start, and here you just click Settings. So when you are in Windows Settings, you click Account, and here you have the home, and you can see you have my info. So what you actually need is access work or school. Then you click on in access work or school, you click connect, and you can see here you have two options. So now I have the option of just entering an email address that belongs to my work or to my school, and automatically I'll be connected to a Windows to Microsoft Azure. But I can also decide to join this device to Azure Active Directory or join this device to a local Active Directory domain. So right now I want to join this device to Azure Active Directory and not a local Active Directory. So click join. Then let me just enter an email address. So I will need an email address. A. So click next. So now I'm going to enter my password. So then click sign in. As you can see here, now it's trying to connect to my Microsoft um, Azure tenant. So as here I've created some policies which is saying that okay, make sure this is your organization. Of course, this is my organization. Then I click join. So now it's trying to add my device to Microsoft Azure, and very soon I will switch to Microsoft Azure to show you how this device has been joined. So now I've created kind of terms and conditions. So it's telling me when you are ready to use this new account, select the start button, and select your current account picture, and then select switch account. Sign in using your Johnson email address. It's connected to previous. So now you are set. So just click done. As you can see, it's now connected to Microsoft Intune Azure. So when I click here, click on connect to private ECTLS Azure AD, click info. So you can see that it's trying to sync with Microsoft Azure. So when I click here to see current progress, so here you're going to see that, okay, now the device preparation has been completed. Let me just click show details. You can see securing your hardware has been completed. Device setup has been completed. And this is account setup is still trying to configured. So, okay, let me just close this and close this. Okay, I'm going to switch to my Microsoft Intune Azure. Let me just go to, let me click device. Let me click all device. Here you can see the device has been joined to Microsoft Azure. So, but now the compliance is not evaluated because the Windows 10 and the device is still syncing with Microsoft Azure. So, just to show you that this is the device, let me just go to the computer again and start the command prompt. And if I just type in hostname, here you can see that's the same host name in Microsoft Intune Azure. So now it's still trying to, it's not, it said none, the compliance is not evaluated. So I'm going to just pause this video and come back again when the compliance has been checked and everything has been fully synced. Oh, okay. Now, if we go back to the device, we see that the device has all the policies has been applied on the device. On the device, the computer should be compliance at this moment. So let's go to devices in the Microsoft 365 device management. Click all devices, and here I have the computer which I just configured to Microsoft Intune Azure. As you can see, the device is compliance. So when I go to the device, to the computer, I'm using TeamViewer to connect to the computer. So I go to the Start File Explorer, and I click this per se. As you can see that BitLocker has also been encrypted or enabled on this computer. So what happened actually is this, because I didn't do this manually, this was actually configured using Microsoft Intune Azure. So when I go to device configuration, and here I configured a profile, as you can see, configure bit locker. So here you can see there's one device which has been configured. Let me just go to properties, and here is where I configured the bit um, BitLocker, Windows encryption. So actually, and that is how you join a Windows 10 device to Microsoft Intune Azure. And with Microsoft Intune Azure or Microsoft 365 device management, you can actually do a lot with Windows 10 or Windows devices or your Android phone or iOS. So I think in my next video, I'll be showing you how to configure or how to join an Android mobile device to Microsoft Intune Azure. So thank you very much for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, please you can always send me an email, or you can leave a comment behind on my on this video, and I will always respond to your comment as quick as possible. And please don't forget to like my video, give me some thumb up for taking my time to create this video, because now it's a little bit late here in Belgium, but I still just found the time to create this video. So thank you very much, and see you next time.